Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I know a lot of you have been asking. Can I buy Bitcoin on Ally? Now, before we dive into that, let's talk about why you might be interested in buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been one of the hottest investments in recent years, and it's easy to see why. It's a decentralized digital currency that's not controlled by any government or financial institution. This means that it's not subject to the same risks as traditional currencies, like inflation or government intervention. Bitcoin is also a very volatile asset, which means that it can experience large swings in price in a short period of time. This can be both a good thing and a bad thing. If you're looking to make a quick profit, Bitcoin could be a good investment. However, if you're looking for a stable investment, Bitcoin is probably not the right choice for you. So, now that we've talked about the pros and cons of investing in Bitcoin, let's get back to the question at hand. Can I buy Bitcoin on Ally? The answer is no, you cannot currently buy Bitcoin directly on Ally. However, Ally does offer a few ways for you to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency market. One option is to invest in a cryptocurrency exchange-traded fund, ETF. ETFs are like mutual funds, but they invest in a basket of different assets, including cryptocurrencies. This is a good way to diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. Another option is to invest in a company that is involved in the cryptocurrency industry. For example, you could invest in a company that mines Bitcoin or a company that provides cryptocurrency exchange services. Before you invest in Bitcoin, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Bitcoin is a very volatile asset, and you could lose money if the price goes down. It's also important to choose a reputable broker or exchange to invest through. So, there you have it. While you can't buy Bitcoin directly on Ally, there are still a few ways to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency market. Just be sure to do your research and understand the risks before you invest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.